Hi friends, this video is sponsored by Buymode e-shopping app. E-shopping app is one of the online shopping app now available Play Store and App Store. Like Buymode e-shopping app. Click below the link, install the applications of Buymode e-shopping app. Friends, இப்போ என்ன பற்றி பார்க்க போகிறோம்னா நியூஸ் பேப்பரை பற்றி 10 லைன்ஸ் பார்க்க போகிறோம். ஓகே ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ், மை சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள், பெல் ஐக்கானை கிளிக் பண்ணுங்கள். First one point, the newspaper is called the history of a particular day. Second one point, the first newspaper was started in Venice. Second one point, the first newspaper was started in the Venice. Third one point, the India Gazette was the first news paper in India. Third one point, the India Gazette was the first newspaper in India. Fourth one point, main business of a newspaper is to circulate news. Fourth one point, the main business of a newspaper is to circulate news. Fifth one point, it tells us everything that is going on in the world. Sixth one point, fifth one point, it tells us everything that is going on in the world. Sixth one point, it spreads education among the people. Sixth one point, it spreads education among the people. Seventh one point, it helps in forming public opinion. Eighth one point, newspapers are printed in different languages. Eighth one point. Ninth one point, there are daily, bi-weekly and weekly newspaper. Ninth one point, there are daily, bi-weekly and weekly newspaper. Tenth one point, reading newspaper is very beneficial. Tenth one point, reading newspaper is very beneficial for students. It increases the knowledge. Friends, Buymode e-shopping app is one of the online portal site. It is now available Play Store and App Store. They click below the link installed in the Buymode e-shopping app. Thank you friends. My channel மறக்காமல் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள், பெல் ஐக்கானை கிளிக் பண்ணுங்கள்.